Hello there, welcome to Descent 2nd Edition Project Part 3. And today we're gonna see two things. First, I will transform this cardboard piece in this amazing 3D environment here, as you can see. And also, you're going to see a partial result of my first scenario of the first campaign from Descent 2nd Edition. Let's start. As usual, I start to cover all the dirty parts of the ground with a very deep brown. Once the base coat is finished, I apply a layer of chocolate brown using the dry brush technique. Now I apply a dry brush with a redder shade of brown. The secret here is to apply a thin layer covering smaller areas of the area to be painted. Applying dry brush to even smaller areas, I choose a warmer, lighter brown hue. After covering all the grass with a dark green color, I apply a dry brush with a lighter green and yellowish green. On the concrete slabs spread across the floor, I apply a light gray color. On the stones, I apply a dark gray. And I apply layers of green wash to all the stones slabs. After doing a dry brush with a light gray over the stones, I start painting various flowers with a lilac, purple, red and white colors. We are now going to paint the old familiar walls of our garden. First, we apply a dark gray base coat. Then, we apply a dry brush with a very light gray. After a base coat in black color, we do a dry brush with a bronze color of all greens. And to simulate slime on the walls, I apply layers of green wash. Here comes something new. Now we are going to paint some bushes over stone walls to recreate the natural barriers that the game's scenario presents to us. Start painting the ground part applying the same colors used in the previous session. The foliage we painted using 3 shades of green, 1 darker and 2 green colors with more yellow in their composition. In the rocks we use a dark gray and a dry brush with a lighter gray. And we have one more part of our scenario ready. And voila, this is the partial result of the first scenario of the first campaign from Descent 2nd Edition. I hope you enjoy the process. Here you can see the first part of the scenario in the game. And here the 3D print and painted scenario.